Creating value enhances the experience of living for everyone the value chain touches. It leads to growth, brighter future, and satisfaction for stakeholders. Shared determination and direction has turned this partnership in an inspiring journey of 2 decades, creating value at each moment.
In last 20 years, I have personally worked with many people from Syngenta side. I just counted in my contact list, there are 48 numbers. I would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge some of them who have immensely contributed in building this partnership to this level. As I remember, Rob Morrison was instrumental in starting this relationship, which then was expanded by Neil Rogerson, Murli, Hans, Massimo, Christian Kuger, and now Tom, Ken, Notker, Richard, and Oliver. During last 20 years, together we have faced several ups and downs in business, but I am proud to say that during this 20 years of partnership, Syngenta has been one of our most trusted partners.
The partnership is empowering humanity to make prosperity a part of life. It is taking us towards food security for all. Originating from the philosophy of sustainability, Pyridine and its various end products have revolutionized agriculture from sowing to harvest. Wave by wave, they are passing on goodness and effectiveness from one to another.
Heartiest congratulations to Syngenta and Jubliant team for celebrating this wonderful partnership for 20 years. I have been extremely lucky and very much privileged to be part of this relationship for 19 years, so except last 1 year when I have moved for the different role. But my heart and my soul had been into the relationship, and it came into right from the beginning when a boy starts wooing a girl. I have been seeing the relationship developing that way, where ultimately it got converted into the marriage, and both the partners since then are, I am assuming, living very happily. This relationship has helped Jubilant very much to achieve the global leadership in the Pyridine with a good chunk of the market share coming from the Syngenta. At the same time, I assume that Syngenta also got benefited by getting quality products on a very sustainable supplies and in cost economical way. By the time this event will be happening, I will be miles away, but I can assure you I'll definitely feel the warmth of the relationship even at that far of the distance, and my heart will be here in celebration with you all.
Our world-class manufacturing plant at Gajraula is enabling innovators and thinkers to meet the commitment of producing quality products.
I take absolute pride in productivity of business with Syngenta. We have learned and upgraded our HSE standards during this journey.
Our day starts with Syngenta by filling up their tanks securely and transporting them from our Gajraula plant to United Kingdom. It is our utmost priority and commitment for the flawless documentation and safe transportation.
Safety of its people, processes, products and facilities is paramount for Jubilant. The company confers utmost importance and sets the highest standards to be compliant on statutory and regulatory requirements. All Jubilant manufacturing facilities are zero liquid discharge. The company also focuses on reducing carbon footprint and energy and water conservation.
I start my day from sampling, testing and ensuring the quality of product Pyridine which is going to Syngenta. My connection with this brand is at very high emotional level. In fact, I feel the day is incomplete if I do not test the product as per Syngenta specification.
सिंजेंटा के ऑर्डर्स के वॉल्यूम्स देखकर हमारी टीम बहुत उत्साहित होती है और हमें प्रोत्साहन मिलता है। हम बड़ी लगन और शिद्दत से अपने काम में जुट जाते हैं। हमें विश्वास है कि सिंजेंटा के साथ हमारे संबंध और मजबूत होंगे।
When partners enrich each other's thoughts and capabilities, a sense of pride flows naturally within the association. We will always remember the first visit, the initial moments when this association began. The increasing numbers and the expansion have empowered us to do more, opening up possibilities, vitality, wisdom, and persistence to turn them into realities. It has helped us lead to several innovations.
I would like to mention few of the instances which are coming to top of my mind. Firstly, startup pyridine business was the first milestone of this strong relationship between two companies, which I am proud to say that we are still continuing very strongly. Thereafter, sometime in 2004, we started talking to Syngenta about redefining their supply chain for clodinofop, and finally we were successful in signing long-term contract in 2008 for contract manufacturing and supplying of CDFP through complete backward integrated process. We continued supplies of CDFP for 6 years, and then due to significant challenges at marketplace for clodinofop, the supply of CDFP could not continue. Then in 2016, after the visit of Richard and Dr. Ken to our R&D facility and Gajraula site, Jubliant was selected as one of the key partners in Syngenta's Innovation Challenge program. I am happy to mention that we are currently working on 4 live projects, out of which one project, that is IPREC, has already reached to the commercial supply stage. I would like to take this opportunity of thanking all of the stakeholders from both the sides who are here and also those who are not here but have contributed in building this partnership to this level.
Driven by its promise of caring, sharing, growing, Jubilant is channelizing resources for bringing measurable social change in the society. The focus is on primary education, basic healthcare, and skill development for employability and self-sustenance. Jubilant Bharatiya Foundation, a not-for-profit institution and the CSR arm of the Jubilant Bharatiya Group, is serving more than 90 villages and making difference in the lives of nearly 500,000 people. Value creation is an ongoing process, achieving together new heights, adding fresh memories to the 20 years of journey.